Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change the cabin air filter in a Lincoln Nautilus. First, gather your supplies, a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, open your glove compartment and remove all items. This ensures clear access to the filter housing located behind it. Replacing this filter regularly, perhaps every 12,000 miles or once a year, significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and reduces allergens. To access the filter, fully open the glove compartment. On the right side, you will find a small dampener arm. Gently unclip it. Next, press inward on both the left and right sides of the glove box. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. This step is crucial for proper access. Now, locate the rectangular filter housing cover, usually secured by 2 or 3 small clips. Unclip these fasteners and carefully pull the cover away. Gently slide out the old, often dirty, cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. Insert your new filter, ensuring its airflow arrow points in the same direction, typically downwards, for optimal performance. With the new filter in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring all clips snap securely. Next, lift the glove compartment and align its stops with their respective slots. Gently push them back into place. Finally, reattach the dampener arm to the side of the glove box. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter, enjoying cleaner air for many thousands of miles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.